Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to start unit number 11 electricity on page number 50. In this unit we are going to learn about the electricity and about the different methods that we use to generate electricity. We are going to learn about the mains and batteries and also about the circuits. Electricity is a type of energy. Students, here is a question for you. Question number 1. What is electricity? The answer is electricity is a type of energy. It is usually made from other types of energy like burning coal, gas or oil, heat and light, wind or falling water. These are the other types of energy, and these are the different things from which we can make electricity. Here is a question for you. How does electricity made from? It is usually made from other types of energy like burning coal, gas or oil, heat and light, wind or falling water. Mains and batteries. Most electricity you get comes from a power station through wires. Students, as you know that the electricity we are using at our homes comes from the power station through the wires. Electricity from a power station is known as mains electricity. Students, this is the definition of mains electricity. The wires carry a lot of electricity. They have to carry enough electricity to power all the electrical appliances in our homes, offices, factories and other places. Students, you know that there are so many appliances that work on electricity at our home, offices as well as at our schools, just like that computers, fans, tube lights, refrigerators, ovens and so many other things. The light that are turned on for a nighttime cricket match use mains electricity. It means that the light is coming from the power station through the wires. Now we are going to learn about the batteries. Some electricity you use comes from batteries. Batteries store a small amount of electricity. Students, batteries store chemical energy and then the batteries convert the chemical energy into electrical energy. Just like that, you have toys and you know that there are batteries in your toys. Do you have any toys? There are always batteries or cells in the toys that help the toy to work. Just like that, they have just enough electricity to make a battery powered toy work. You can see a battery powered toy here, and this worked when there is a battery in it or to produce light in a torch. Students, you can see a children here and you can also see a torch. This torch works on battery. Students, stay safe with electricity. Never touch electrical outlets with your fingers or with objects. Never play with electrical cords, wires or switches. Never put electrical appliances near water or touch electrical outlet when you are wet. Students, as you know that metal and iron objects are the best conductor of electricity, as well as water is also a very best conductor of electricity. So that's why avoid when you are wet. Don't touch the wires and other electrical circuits. Stay away from electrical wires and equipments outside. Students, here is an activity for you. Make a list of all the things in your home that use mains electricity to work. What do you think? What are the different things? Write these things here on your book. Then make a list of all the things in your home that use batteries to work. And what do you think? What are the different things at your home that use batteries to work? Now here are the questions for you. Answer the questions. What is meant by main electricity? As you have learned on page number 50, electricity from a power station is known as mains electricity. This is the answer of this question. Question number 2 is, how does this electricity reach our homes? As you know that from a power station, electricity travels through wires and reaches our homes. Question number 3 is, what do batteries do? Batteries store chemical energy and convert it into electrical energy. Students, these are the question answers. Note down these question answers in your notebook and also learn the book reading as well as the question answers.